Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that sending XRP from your Arculus wallet to Bitmart can be a game changer for managing your assets. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just move your funds, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. I'm excited to walk you through it, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Arculus wallet is updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures all the security features are in place. Open your Arculus app and log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings by selecting the Assets tab and finding XRP in your portfolio. Next, hit the Send or Transfer button for XRP. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Bitmart account, go to the Deposit section, and copy the XRP wallet address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's crucial in the crypto world. Now, specify the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember to account for any network fees, which might be around 0.00001 XRP depending on the current blockchain conditions in 2025. Review the transaction details carefully, including the destination address and fees, then confirm with your wallet's security prompt. After you hit send, keep an eye on the transaction status in your Arculus wallet. It usually takes a few minutes for XRP to arrive on Bitmart due to the fast XRP ledger network. Once it's there, log into Bitmart and verify your deposit in your account balance. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to get comfortable. There you have it, folks. You've successfully sent XRP from Arculus to Bitmart. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure and happy trading. See you in the next video.